Good afternoon. My name is María Teresa Martínez y Corro. I'm a student for Universidad Abierta y a Distancia de México. And this is a work for asignature Inglés Básico y Nutrición. Activity 2, Verb to be and verb tense, moment 2. What is the Eat Well White? The Eat Well White is a white that shows the proportions in which different types of foods are needed to have a well-balanced and healthy diet. The proportions show are representative of your food consumption over the period of a day or even a week, not necessarily each meal time. Who is the Eat Well White intended for? The Eat Well White applies to most people regardless of weight, dietary restriction, preference, or ethnic origin. What are the groups the Eat Well White is divided in? The Eat Well White is divided in 5 groups: fruit and vegetables, carbohydrates, dairy and alternatives, animals and vegetables, proteins, oils and spirits, but also mentions a group formed by which are the foods high in fat, salt, and sugars that should be avoided. Where is used the Eat Well White? It can be used to help make the healthier choice wherever you are, deciding what to eat, at home cooking, out shopping for groceries, eating out in a restaurant, coffee, or canteen, choosing food on the run. What are the specific recommendations for each group? The recommendations for each group are: eat at least 5 portions of a variety of fruit and vegetables every day. Base meals on potatoes, bread, rice, pasta, or other starchy carbohydrates, choosing whole grain versions where possible. Have some dairy or dairy alternatives, such as soya drinks, choosing lower fat and lower sugar options. Eat some beans, pulse, fish, eggs, meats, and other proteins, including 5 portions of fish every week, 1 of which should be oily. Choose unsaturated oils and spreads and eat in small amounts. What about daily hydration? It's recommended to drink 6 to 8 glasses of fluid every day. Water, low-fat milk, and sugar-free drinks, including tea and coffee, all count. Fruit juice and smoothies also count towards your fluid consumption, although they are a source of free sugars, and so you should limit your consumption to no more than a combined total of 150 ml per day. What about a food labeling? Loss of prepackaged foods have a food label on the front on pack which shows the nutrition information per serving and can help to choose between foods and to pick those that are lower in calories, fat, saturated fat, sugar, and salt. How many calories per day a person over 11 years old needs? People over 11 years old need, if they are a man, 2,500 calories, and if they are women, only 2,000 calories. Thank you so much. Good afternoon.